Okay, Fishy Ozarks fans, we're back at it. You can see the water's still low. They've actually dropped it another 1.5 feet. And that wet line that you see on the shoreline means that dropped today, so it didn't have time to dry out. This is even lower than I've seen it most of the time. But some people talk about the fact that that concentrates the fish. I disagree with that, just based on trying to fish in this garbage, and they don't know where to be. Their traditional beds, like this tree, are out of the water. So if this was up here, water-wise, we'd be catching fish already. But I'm seeing swirls, so it's time to fish. Can't always shore fish here. Typically, the water will be up to that dark line there on that wall. So I'm standing in an area that would be over my head as soon as the water fills in. But I feel it. We're going to get a fish. I don't know what it's going to be, but we're going to get one. Fishy Ozarks fans, we got us a fish, and he hit the lure that I got in my mystery tackle box. It's a wake bait, and I've been dying to get one on this. I wish I had the camera on when he hit it. He slammed it right up by the shore, and I think he's going to be big enough to measure on the box for the contest. That is a nice fish on the wake bait, shad imitation. Like I said, I wish I had the camera going, but I was getting ready to give up. But nothing massive, 1.5 pounds, maybe 1.25 pounds. But that wake bait, I've been talking about it, and I hope this measures out on the box so I can send it in and see if I get a prize. Too awesome. All right, time to release this guy. He did not make the 14-inch amount of length that it would take to be in the contest. Again, I got him on this wake bait, which is, I've been dying to catch one on that, and he's just not quite big enough. I'm gonna guess he's 12. Let's just see. Yeah, 11.5. Yeah, if you pinch the tail, you might get 12, but still super fun to catch, and a great sign that things are picking up. So we'll give her a real easy release, someplace where we want you to stay and come back and get bigger. Awesome. Just awesome. Dead still. Going back to the well, going right along this shoreline, maybe 1.5 feet of water is where I caught that last fish. He hit it right there, just swirled on it. Probably just luck, random chance, but it was a great bite. Just luck.